I like, look at this. Look at this. What? You said what? I owe you what? Tell me the tea, girl. What? Hey everyone, welcome to my channel. I am Ann. If you're new around these parts, basically all I do is play and make up. I shop too much, I'm awkward as fuck, and sometimes I might talk a little shit. Today's video, I'm just gonna get ready to go to a birthday party for my nephew. Quick wig install, yay! Anyways, if any of those things sound cool, fun, great, you know, resonate with you, go ahead and hit that subscriber button, boo, and join this beautiful ass gang, because who wouldn't want to be a beautiful ass person? And if you're not new around these parts, hey boo. So yeah, like I said, we're gonna be doing a get ready with me today. I'm going to first wash this, brush these, finish my coffee first before I brush these, and then get dressed. I'm not gonna show you the whole braiding process like I wait, have I ever showed y'all my horrible braiding process? If I have, I'm sorry. If I haven't, I'm just gonna save myself some embarrassment. I know I got some saved up in there somewhere, just a little bit. But yeah, so I'm gonna go do that, and I don't know. On a high note, pumpkin spice creamer is in stock. I'm very happy about that. This hit the shelves faster than Starbucks, and it's the Starbucks creamer, at least where I live. Anywho, I'm gonna go braid my hair in.
Straight jump from SoCal, Hollywood to the slums, chronic smoke, get burnt by the California sun. How did we become so distant? Like I'm the one to blame me, you're innocent. I want that old thing, but I bring it to me. Gotta keep telling me what to do about you. You're coming down the desert, still. Should I ready to go home? Gotta put it in the machine, no. It's a good thing. That whole no. He in love with that. I just don't have to be learning. You bitches and never get.
Alright, so I am done brushing my teeth and washing my face, and you see, I don't even know if you can call them cornrows. I really don't, because, you know, they're braided, but are they really braided? So, anyways, let's move on to the wig before I do the install. Where's the wig? Oh, it's right in front of my face. Alright, this one I got off of Amazon. Of course, that's going to be my new plug. Did you read that? My new plug. This is what I ordered. This is what it's supposed to look like. And this is how much I paid for it. I like the packaging just because of the little tassels on it. Something about my inner cat just loves that. That sounded stupid. We're going to move on. So inside of the bag, we of course have the wig. Wig caps. Always wanted and always needed. Just like you, boo. And a neat little booklet from AliPearl Hair Care Booklet. Oh, it's a hair care booklet. Okay. Tells you about their business, how to maintain your hair. Immediately, the one thing that I did notice about this one is that this lace cap is a lot darker than a lot of the ones that I normally get. Which is cool with me. I ain't mad at it. Less powdering I gotta do. I have scissors. Why do I do that? Snappa, snappa. I'm going to flip back my edges with this edge control. I live by it. Okay, works wonders. Oh my god, I just love it. Alrighty, so we are slicked back like a pimp name. Go ahead and add my bald cap or wig cap. It's a wig cap. It's a wig cap. Crisscross and tuck these bad boys in. I'm not gonna put it all the way down just yet because I want to do the review, or not the review. I want to give you the description of the wig because I'm nice like that. So this is a 5x5 18-inch lace closure wig. Okay, I'm safe. It's supposed to be human hair. Better be for the price I paid. Okay, this is her, and this is what she is giving, and I'm so excited. She's so pretty, y'all. She is so pretty. There's a little bit of brown within the dye job right there, But that is okay. I've never really been that much of a picky bitch. That's a lie. I can't even say that. I am a very picky bitch. But this is okay. I'm okay with it. It's fine. It adds a little bit of realness to it. Are we pre-plucked? We are pre-plucked. We are pre-plucked. Yes. Here are the inside part. Look how deep that is. It's pretty deep. Combs. Combs. And the little button things here that nobody really likes. But I just tolerate it. Part always cracks me up. I legit look like I'm ready to go rob a bank. I'm the robber who didn't get the memo, or I got the memo last minute and I just worked with what I got. I'm gonna just speed through this part because it's not important. We've seen this done 1,000,001 times. So we could just vibe with some music and just hang out, you know? Let's just hang out and listen to some good tunes. Okay, let's go. Alright, loves, we are coming to an end. I don't know what that accent was. Don't. I see you with that judge card. Don't do it. But this is her. Chewy! Bless me. Okay, she's fire. She's fucking fire. I love her. I do. She's super soft, little to no shedding, super easy to install. I don't know if they gave like the density on this wig in the description, but don't worry about it. You can check it out yourself if you're interested, and it's down in the description box below, boo. Go ahead and do you. We'll go ahead and turn around and show you the wig. I wish I had a stepping stool in here. That's her. Oh, I love it. I did not get that back very well, but that's okay. She's so soft. I'm pretty sure I said that before, but you know, I'm gonna say it again. Yeah, no tangles. Look at this. Look at this. All day, me. I don't know what real problem I had with the wig. I don't think I had one. I remember. I cut my baby hairs too short, but that's not the wig's fault. That's my fault for being a dum-dum. I don't have any real hates about this hair either. I like, look at this. Look at this. What? You said what? Oh, you what? Tell me the tea, girl. What? Which body? I don't know what to name her. I don't know if she came with a name. I don't know if she has a name. We gonna figure it out. But I do. I like her. I like the color pattern. I like it a lot. This is the new it girl of the wigs in my collection. Anyway, and that's all that matters. Alright, this is going to be the end of the video. I hope you guys really enjoyed it. I really enjoyed this wig. I hope you had some good times with me. And if you did, go ahead and hit that like button for this video, okay? And if you're new around these parts, go ahead and hit that subscriber button, boo. Do it. Hit that subscriber button, boo. And join this beautiful ass gang. Always wanting. Always welcoming. And while you're over there, don't forget to hit that notification bell. Because I can promise you, I'd just be posting whenever. I'm not going to put on makeup today because I'm literally just going to a kid's birthday party. I did all of this for my nephew. Anyways, I'll catch your beautiful ass next time.